Nestled in Kui Buri, Prachuap Khiri Khan, the village of Ban Ruam Thai offers visitors a unique glimpse into Thailand's natural beauty and local life. Here, you can meet wild elephants, explore nature, and immerse yourself in traditional village activities passed down through generations. When tourists come to see the elephants, they often ask about accommodation. The villagers welcome guests like family, offering simple but comfortable homestays. Visitors can experience authentic village life, from sharing meals to learning about daily routines. While initial activities were limited to paper crafts, the community has since developed new and creative experiences for tourists. One of the most popular activities is natural fabric tie-dyeing. This 2-hour workshop uses dyes made from local leaves, flowers, and other plants. Participants can choose between 2 methods: hot dyeing and cold dyeing. The hot dyeing process involves boiling leaves over a stove and requires careful supervision. Cold dyeing, on the other hand, is perfect for group activities and safe for children, allowing everyone to enjoy the creative process together. Tie-dyeing is a very entertaining hands-on activity. It also provides income for local villagers. Each visitor creates a unique piece of fabric to take home, a beautiful memento that combines art, nature, and tradition. These activities generate income for villagers, especially those without regular employment. The community also prepares fabric products in advance for local festivals, allowing them to showcase their craftsmanship. By participating, tourists directly support the village economy and help preserve its traditional crafts.
ก็อยากให้มาชมช้างป่านะคะแล้วก็มาดูวิถีชีวิตชาวบ้านค่ะว่านอนยังไงกินยังไงอะไรอย่างเงี้ยสามารถมาชมได้มันอาจจะแตกต่างที่อื่นบ้างค่ะหรืออาจจะเหมือนที่อื่นแต่คิดว่าไม่เหมือน 100% หรอกค่ะเขาให้มาเที่ยวชมแล้วมาในส่วนที่คุณได้จ่ายเงินไปคุณก็มีส่วนร่วมที่เราจะเอาไปทำช่วยเหลือคนอื่นด้วยค่ะถึงจะไม่มากแต่ก็ช่วยค่ะ
Your visit contributes to the village in many ways, from supporting local families to preserving cultural traditions for future generations. Ban Ruam Thai invites you to experience the harmony between people, nature, and tradition. Every visit leaves a positive impact, sustaining the village and keeping its culture alive. Come and see it for yourself.